Greetings and welcome to Barbie from Germany, my dear fellow collectors. Today I'd like to do another treasure hunt video, this time for November 2019. Since Christmas is coming up, I want to show you what I found in November. Maybe you have already gotten your Christmas presents. I haven't gotten mine so far, but I found some great Barbie dolls in November. Okay, let's start. So, here you see the glitter hair Barbie in blonde. It's not the same version that I showed you several months ago. She's not the same like this one here. Her pony is cut. This one has an uncut pony. So this is my second version of the glitter hair Barbie. But that's not the only thing I found. I also found, ta-da! The red-haired version of glitter hair Barbie. I bought them as a lot. I thought, why not? They were offered as a lot, and I bought not just two, but three of them in a lot. And yeah, I always wanted to have them, but when I was little, they were not so interesting to me because they all had long hair, and I was not so a glitter fan. I already got the paint and dazzle, and the dazzling was not, the painting was not so good, but it was not well. I was so bad at it. So I didn't want to have them, but somehow the wish came up to own them as a grown-up. And yeah, I found a lot, and now I have all three of them. They're cute, aren't they? I really love them. Especially the red-haired version. I always love red hats. I don't know why, but I really love them. So okay, what else did I find? No Barbies turning here. I found that's not the fun time version, the usual one. She is a Spanish version. Again, I found a Spanish doll. You can see it. She is the Spanish version of the Funtime Barbie from 1986, but she is called Hora Joven, which means young hour. And what I really like is that you can change the time on her shirt. You can twist the thing and then you can change the time of it. I really love the feature, and she's almost complete. The only thing missing are her socks. She came without socks, but the rest of her is complete. So that's what I found in November. Not the biggest lot, but not the smallest lot I found this year. So nice bunch, aren't they? Okay, I hope you like my little November treasure hunt. Not the biggest amount of dolls I found, but I think they're cute somehow. I hope you like my little video. Stay tuned, in every Friday comes a new exciting video for you. And you can of course show me your finds too. And I can put them in a video and show my other viewers what you found. Or you can leave me a thumbs up or a comment if you want to, or tell me what you found. See you next Friday, your Busy Bee from Germany.